here at Whataburger with my buddies, and we're gonna get some free cheeseburgers. They're doing this offer today on this new sandwich. So it's only available after hours for breakfast hours, and we're about to try it for the first time. The Whataburger breakfast sandwich. The breakfast burger, it looks really good. It looks like it's gonna be the best breakfast item I've had so far. So we just got the breakfast potato taquitos, and everybody here just tried the new Whataburger's breakfast burger. What did you guys think of their new breakfast burger? How many stars would you guys give the burger?
4.
4 stars. The burger was great. The recipe was great. The ratios of ingredients were perfect. However, the burger needed to be bigger. And I would expect more of a restaurant that is from Texas. Are you rapping?
No. Que sube, que baja, que no sé qué pasa, que lo comienza en humano, va, que anda con la raza, con los triunfas en la vida, va, que se llama envidia, vas sintiendo que me subes, que te dan esa caprias. Y sabes que lobos están a tu lado, pues a veces van a brillar en la apariencia más sencilla, nunca faltan los colores para irte reventones, más cuando los necesitas, no debes decir,
How do you sing that fast? You never even talk that fast.
I know that song, so I kind of know it, but I don't know it. There's like this challenge.
Do they talk that fast in the song?
Yeah.
Wow.
You want to watch it?
It's like a rapper. That's how rappers talk.
There's this challenge. People are like trying to do it.
Wow, I've never seen you look more Mexican than then.
That they're in an X form, and then you just hook them on the hooks, and then just give it a pull.
Wow, okay. I've never done this here.
We're ice skating, and we haven't been ice skating for years. Have you ever been ice skating together?
Yeah, in Long Beach.
Yeah, in Long Beach for Christmas. You're so cute. I love your ice skating. Alright guys, so here's our couples interview, part 1. So what's your first question, honey?
Do you think that you're more good looking or more intelligent?
That's a good question. I've never been asked that before, but I'd say I'm like a good balance of upper levels of good looking and intelligence at the same time.
So you're saying you're equal?
I don't know. I wouldn't say I'm more one than the other, but what do you think?
About you?
Yeah.
I think you're more good looking.
Than intelligent? Well, I feel like there's moments where I've been much smarter than I am now. I think that I've been smarter in the past, but I feel like because I was really into education and learning and reading books, I was constantly researching online and reading books and watching documentaries. So I learned a lot, and then now I just feel like I'm not as much into that, and now I'm more into like health. So maybe I feel like I'm better looking than intelligent now, but I think I used to be more intelligent than good looking. It's like a seesaw. You have to balance it. Either one is always more than the other. It's really rare that you have equal, right? What do you think? Are you more intelligent or more good looking?
I'm definitely more intelligent.
Than good looking?
Yeah.
Really? I'd say you're a little bit more good looking than you are intelligent.
You're just copying what I said.
But I think that's why we're such a perfect match. We have that in common.